Now, we're getting a WhatsApp query from James. He's writing to us from Shillong. He says that he's bought 10,000 shares of Ola Electric at 106 a piece. So may I know from the experts how long I'll have to hold on to break even? So today only SEBI issued a warning regarding the disclosure of its expansion, and the stock reacted negatively. And after that, the viewers are always curious about Ola Electric's performance. So Lancelot, should the investor stay invested in Ola Electric for the long term?
So it's a very difficult call to take, at this point in time. But given the various financial position that it is in and its business, Ola has been struggling with customer service. The two-wheelers quality has been in question. So for it to become a real big dominant player in the two-wheeler space, a lot of existing two-wheeler manufacturers have also launched their electric vehicles. So there is going to be a lot of competition in this space, and that competition will ensure that two or three large players will consolidate and will actually dominate this space. So, whether Ola will be one of them or not is very difficult to predict at this point in time. But from a valuation perspective, the risk return reward is very high at this point in time. So one should just avoid Ola at this time.
Avoid is the view coming in on Ola Electric from Lancelot. The next query is from Vivek, who's from Hyderabad. His query, I believe, is on Nalco. He has 200 odd shares bought at 206 a piece, and the stock is currently hovering around those levels, around 204. And he wants to know whether what should he do next with this counter. He's not written whether he wants a short-term view on this or a longer-term view. Kushal, I'll come to you on this one. Nalco, how does it look on charts?
I would recommend him to hold because 200 EMA is acting as immediate support, which is near 204 levels. So my sense is if that level is breaking down, that if that level is taken out, I would avoid. I mean, I would just book the profits and get away.
All right, with that, I believe that we're completely out of time on this edition of Fast Profit. Kushal, Lancelot, both of you gentlemen, thank you so much for taking out time and, guiding us through the show for the past 1 hour. Thank you so much for that. But like I said, we're completely out of time on this edition of Fast Profit. But stay tuned to NDTV Profit for more news and updates on the other side.